Morning, today's October 16th, and today's refinishing project is located in Oakland, California. Alright, so today in Oakland we're going to be refinishing this cast iron bathtub here. It's been previously refinished years ago, and it needs to be stripped and refinished again. Let's have a closer look. Replace all this caulking here. Yeah, it's just really beat up, just from years of use. Usually it's a full day, maybe 5 to 8 hours, depending on how difficult the stripping is. If the stripping goes by quick and easy, it's usually 5.5 hours. If it's more of a difficult stripping process, then it's usually a full day. So this is a project in Oakland, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching.